entering a world of realization in exact infinite balance.
Another good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Infinite balance and effect, giving you that energy from the cosmos to the center's flows. Now, I did a YouTube short of a swan that was tagged. Now, coincidentally, or non-coincidentally, this swan is right over here, so. Now, this is a unique situation because all the swans around here, no human can get close to it besides this one. And this particular one is the same one that's tagged. I believe it's N46. Again, downtown Toronto Lakeshore, the intersection. If you're in the Toronto area, Windermere and Lakeshore, the swan's N46. I'm sure a lot of people know about this. But another interesting thing here, because look how, I admit, everything beautiful here, everything like righteous, everything nice, but for some reason it seems like I have a connection with this one because we both like solidarity and just being one alone, you know. We both love our space, which brings a conclusion about if someone likes a space, doesn't make them a hermit. It makes them a so-called bad person. I don't think so, for the fact that everybody is different. Everybody perceives their energy in a different format. Me, a person like my isolation. Don't get me wrong, I love the crowd. Actually, I don't love the crowd all that. I love seeing people happy and being around that type of crowd, because when you're around a crowd where everyone's happy, it spreads the positive vibes. But when you want to like just relax and get that meditation on, you want isolation. And when I see this beauty right here, it seems like me and this beauty right here have that same connection. And no lie, I came here by myself, just looking at the wonder here. And this one all of a sudden just came by and it stayed right there, and it's been staying there ever since. Me not know if I thought maybe it want food, but it came, it was doing its own thing right there. So maybe it's even sensing that I am videotaping it, which, man or woman, we don't know if you're a man or woman. We don't feel no disrespect. I just want to videotape it to show that how unique you are and how beautiful you are. Whether man or woman, you're beautiful. Hopefully you won't go. Hopefully you'll still stay while I'm talking about this. And it seemed like it's, I don't know if it's going or what. Yeah, it seemed like it'll go now. But that was a point I was making, how everyone, even including animals, are unique in their own sense. Again, any other swan won't be like within 20 feet of a human. Maybe that's why this one got tagged, because it seemed like it could go close to any human. There's been times where I see it go upon the land on the beach and go right next to where people are eating. So if you're ever in the GTA area, if you're from another country coming down, or if you're in the Toronto area, again, the intersection is Windermere and Lakeshore. It's around there. You could come around whatever time you see here, so come around them time there. And there's a swan with a tag on it, N46. Seems like it's not afraid of human at all. So I'm here again, isolation. Well, not really isolation. Again, here, lakeshore. And this is just a very, I love this, what they call unique situation. And even now I'm looking at this one here. If you could see the seagull, it's just looking at me because it thinks I'm going to feed. We don't have no food yet. I did feed some other ones over there, and it just became a kerfuffle of seagulls and pigeons, and the ducks, they came too late. I may feed them again so you could see, but them, especially the seagulls, them crazy. Me not gonna lie, it's like you better watch yourself with the seagull then. And even surprisingly, the geese. Right now it's, I believe, August 11th, and earlier today I was in Milton. I was supposed to go to the Kelso Summit, but some kind of type of bicycle race Aguan. So I came over to something called Kelso Park, which was just a nice little park where you just walk around a lake. The hiking part, not really high, it's more like a stroll. So right now I am here again, lakeshore. I've been doing lakeshore lots of times, enough times, and I'm just walking and I do my own thing. Came here, looks like there's some type of party going on. I don't know if you're Asian, it looks like Mandarin or something like that. If you look on the horizon, and it's been like a mix of rain and sun. It's been raining and then it's been sunny. Then it's been raining again and then it's been sunny. Rain, sun, rain, sun. Right now it's sunny out, and I'll show you which animal these were. The birds, fowl, whatever you want to call it, that I was feeding. Which it's interesting how seagulls, they're always fighting each other over food, but even if there's like a one food for one seagull, the seagull will still call its bedrooms, even though there's a little bit, and those seagulls fight each other. So I don't get, if a seagull want to have the food for himself, why is it he, she calling for other seagulls to come? I don't know, maybe it's in their DNA or something. Because I know if I want the food for myself, I'm not calling nobody. Actually, I'm not right on that. Actually, I do share. But I'm just talking about now how they're always fighting, but yet they're calling each other. Maybe they like fighting each other, who knows? So it's just about getting, what they say, content, and more content. So I just trying to make a different kind of twist up here. So, and as you see, there's a N46, I call it N46 Swan, and it's just going about here. So, and a lot of people there are enjoying themselves. Again, lakeshore, people like isolation. As you see, there's one woman there just sitting down to relax, and you see there's some people just sitting on the lawn chair there. They have them type of things up in lakeshore there. And as I am just here, just walking down the beach here. And even though it's been okay, right now it looks like it's not gonna really rain. It seems like it's done. So that right there, good. It came down. I came here so many times now that I almost recognize. There's this, if I'm not mistaken, this geese right here, lone geese. Whenever I'm feeding the ducks them, that particular geese always ends up coming. Then when that one comes, there's a bigger one. It's like an alpha male geese that just takes out everybody, takes out all the birds then. If there's a chance I could videotape that, I will. But to be honest, sometimes that thing's like just a scary thing, scary type of sight. So, going across, looking up, the sun finally a shine, and people are just relaxing, doing all them sitting. Now I was supposed to go to Latin Fest, but beside take a back seat on that. The fact that I was thinking of taking a long walk, but then there's a lot of stuff I want to do at my yard. Another patois term meaning at home. I wanted to finish some stuff that I need to finish at home. So I'm just doing a little footage here just to show really the hugging of the beach. Again with the content and more content. And as you see over there, if I'm not mistaken, it's a bunch of loons. I think I saw on one of my shorts, I seen one individual, but apparently a lot of them come up here. So, and that's where, I don't know, some of them have their wing up. I don't know if that's some type of sign, like I don't know, a mating signal or something like that, or maybe they're drying their wings because of the rain. It was raining. But look, Chris, if anyone knows, they could put in the comments on why those loons have their wings out like that. Maybe they're ready to mate, who knows. So again, coming up, just hugging this. I just want to have everyone have a different type of view of me coming around Lakeshore. Okay, I've never actually done this part before, just showing you the lake. Something that and again N46 swan. I don't know where the swan will go, but that swan right there is a kindred spirit. I feel sad that he got tagged, because you don't know how the people then they probably had to put the swan asleep before tagging it too. So I could imagine what the swan was thinking about what's going on here. So again, kindred spirit. I'd say the swan's almost domesticized, but not really. It just has no fear of human whatsoever. You see this type of swan just walking on the beach, seen sometimes on what they call the boardwalk. So anyway, I was actually looking to feed the ducks then, but the ducks then, I'm gonna see it. The only place I see them was with other seagulls, and I know if I feed them with the seagulls are gonna overpower them, and then the geese are gonna come and the geese are gonna overpower the seagulls, and it's just gonna be more or less the geese eating. And hey, I don't mind like feeding everybody, but you know, animals, I don't know if it's in their brain or whatever, but I would think they would like to share. Because it seems like once one bird make a cry, all the birds them will come. Whether ducks, goose, geese, Oh, them something there. So my always hungry bedrooms them. Some of them are relaxed, some of them on the grass, some of them just are, them are doing them business. And again, always interesting with the animals them and how they associate. Yeah, tonight I'm gonna go on. There's gonna be something on Internet Live where it's gonna show the meteor shower, and I'm going to check that out online. Figure out how to record that, because it's almost like a once in a lifetime situation. If for some reason something's telling me that I need to watch that. I believe things will come by accident, and I was on something called Blog TO, and it came into my view, and I checked it out, and it's gonna be sometime tonight in the wee mornings between now August 11th and the 12th. And basically that's it. And I never really seen nothing like that. None of that really caught my interest. But this particular has, and I want to check that. If I gotta find a way how to record that, and probably from the recording put it on YouTube for all y'all to see. If you don't know the to proceed or something along those lines, you could look up meteor shower. Oh well, depending on where you might be watching, it's a little too late, so it don't make sense to me say it, but it's a meteor shower that happened between August 11th and 12th in the wee hours of the morning. And now go in there, so again, just hugging, just giving everyone just a little bit of a different view of the lake. See the cry of the wild right there. Different how when I was in Kelso, how everything was this quiet and serene. At first I didn't get a good vibe, but afterwards it's like when I got comfortable, everything was a lot better. Oh my god, there's an apple. Surprised them people the birds didn't see that. Now I go pick it up though. Maybe they think it's something else. Yeah, a whole bunch of apple then. And banana. But wait. Who dashed them something there? Good, man, let's see that. Maybe when we're gone, that's when they put the banana then. And dash out, look, banana, apple. Yeah, they must have come here when I left. So I'm just going through this actually area where I haven't been to myself. It's just a little different view of the lake. If you look at the far end wide, there's a sailboat. And again, all the loons them. Just, you never see loons, so many plenty of loons. Maybe it's because, no, it's probably because since it done rain, then the fish them, little fish them, come up on the water. And that's when the loons them go and eat the fish. Or some type of bugs that's in the water that rise up when it starts raining. So that's probably why you see all them loons up there. So, because I never ever seen so many loons. For me, once I seen one, it was like an event horizon. It's like looking into the eye of the black hole. So anyway, I'm gonna come out now. And just a time to relax. Yeah, I actually wanted to make a point of seeing how when you feed the animals them, how other animals come. But I want to start with the ducks them, because of all them, the ducks are the most feeble. Start with the seagull then it's gonna eat everything quick. I have cashews, and for some reason when I bite them up and basically put into like a crumble, seems like, yo, the birds them love it. Try to say when I give it to them, like with just a whole cashew seed or whatever you call it. It's funny how when they bite it and go into the water, it's like they soften it up before like swallowing it, you know? Or maybe they need some like water in the throat before swallowing it. Something like that anyway. What's very interesting about this is, since it's been raining, right? It's good because everybody generally go hide, whether it's in their car or somewhere, or they just don't go out. And it gives this a nice feeling of nobody being here, so. Really just a few. These are what I call the unicorn type of people then. Yeah, so now this is, again, another side of Lake Shore. I'm more focused on just hugging the lake right now. I was here this morning, it was on like one loon. One loony. So I'm going again. Wagwan my bedrooms, the pigeon bedrooms. I may actually go to a pet store and get some seeds just to feed these ones. Now, you know, Wagwan, So you go over there, so now there's a whole bunch of geese and ducks, I believe. Now if you look at the sky, you know stop rain looks like, actually no, it's heading about southeast, the way I'm looking out at the wind now. So what's possible, may start raining again, the way how everything dark. Just go on here, so it's interesting there's a dog there, but yet the birds are still around. Guessing those that's not a threat. Yeah, the geese just them asleep. They don't care about nothing. When they do hear me, no. So alright then, venture. A very unique situation. Actually, I woke one up. Sorry. 2 up. Sorry. People never watched. And also, there's another clue. Stretch out the legs then. So they don't really trust me right now. But as you see there, yeah, a whole bunch of these going on. It looks like, yeah, the clouds are coming back out again. Seems like these ones, yeah, they're pretty good. They're not afraid. They're sleeping. One on the ground sleeping, you know. Interesting. I did want to, hopefully it won't start raining yet. Got to heard some people doing canoe. But anyway, as you can see up here, so yeah, it look like it's gonna just pour with the rain. I didn't want to catch something, hopefully, before it start raining. Even if it does, I might just stay out here and get soaked. But I wanted to show you something, the way how the birds them roll, the way how they act when you feed them. And just try and show you guys that, but I need to feed the ducks them first, so you guys could get the true feel of it instead of starting with the seagulls. Hopefully I can do that. If I see any ducks right at the shoreline there, I'll see if I could like show you how. Oh, that's it. Okay, I feel that's a raindrop. About 2, 3. Okay, it looks like someone going on. it's going to start to rain. Yep, it is starting to rain. I can see it in the lake. As you can see there in the lake. What's the type of rain that seems like it'll pass or rain hard? It's funny because when you look over here, sir, you know, nice look, nice clouds and everything. Then as soon as you turn and you go there, sir, a dark passage. But when you go down, when you look a little bit further, you see nice clouds coming. So it seems like, we don't know how long it's gonna rain, maybe 10 minutes or so, maybe 5 minutes, and then sun will come out again. But you know, say it's gonna rain when you see the birds and like that, and it get kind of windy. Yeah, man. So I'm going to go to the same spot I always go. There's one duck that seems to recognize me, so when I go this up, the duck is always around. So we'll go and see if the duck is there. Because obviously, although I don't recognize the duck, the duck recognizes me. And that affirmation, when you look at that high energy, 1313. So. Just making sure. See the same people that are walking forward and walking back again. You know, don't want to get caught in the rain. Yeah, it seems like they have some type of Mandarin type of party. Okay, now it's just the pigeons then. And they fly away. Then there's the sights. So if I'm gonna get nothing, this may be just enough just to show some type of footage, you know? But I do love the way how the lighting on this is very crisp. This is like hypnotic right here, so especially if you're looking right over here, that's like some hypnotic water. This is the type of, you look at that and that's a meditation right there.